funky smile,
Cheese.
a green moustache,
Ooh la la.
delicious food.
Yummy.
Hello, nature superheroes! I'm Alice, so nice to see you. Remember when we investigated brilliant parts of nature, beginning with this letter of the nature alphabet, and learned how to grow our own food, planted seeds, woke them up. We did the bean race. And remember, when we grow our own food, we grow food for lots of different parts of nature. And that sounds like superhero work to me.
Yes.
Who's hungry?
Me.
Me too. Fantastic. We are going to be eating some of those yummy, scrummy different plants that we can grow. Let's go.
Growing, 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 gone.
Feed the snack. What a treat. Growing food that's good to eat. What do you think of my ginger microphone? Remember, this letter of the nature alphabet can sound different when the word changes, can't it? Ginger and grow. Say it with me, go on. Ginger, 1, 2, 3.
Ginger.
Ginger and grow. 1, 2, 3. Grow.
What's that?
Welcome to the gorgeous community garden. This is where lots of different people come together, group of people to grow fungi, plants. Is that a chicken? Oh, say hello, chicken. Hello. And sometimes our own food that we share with other people and other creatures too. Look.
Looks delicious. Ooh. Yay! It's ants, Arac. That's so cute.
This is where we planted our beans from the bean race. The broad beans and the oh my runner bean. Quickly, run on the spot with me as fast as you can. Faster, faster and faster. Run, 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 run. Oh, this place is full of glorious things to smell, to hear,
What's that? Nature is amazing.
to see.
I see it. Ooh la la. Wow.
Look how huge this leaf is. To feel.
How does a black tomato? So good.
Can you see what I see? Broad beans.
You know, Arac, I fancied a broad bean. Delicious.
Those flowers, they've changed. They've now got fruit. Looks like some other little creatures have feasted on here. Oh, look, it's Gilly. Gilly the gastropod. Hello, gastropods.
Ella? But Olga, you're a slug. And both, remember, Arac? Gastropods are the type of animal I am. Snails and sea slugs are gastropods too. See, they've got gooey bodies and gorgeous tentacles and tummy for food and thousands of tongue teeth, and are generally glorious, grey and good in all the goodest of ways. Gosh, that's groovy.
Let me show you how you harvest a broad bean. You stretch out your arm. Go on, stretch out your arm. You twist. Go on, do the twist. And you, when it's ready, you pull broad bean fruit. Wait! We're going to be eating our broad beans today, but we're going to be making a delicious recipe. Off to the garden kitchen.
Wow. That's amazing. Wow.
Growing, growing, growing. Welcome to the garden kitchen. I'm Chef Alice. Oh my goodness me, you're that chef. The one everyone's been talking about. I'm so lucky to be here with you today, and all of these brilliant plants that grow into food that we can eat, and the little creatures that helped make that happen. Every breath we take. Go on, take a big breath in, like you're smelling the broad bean, and a big breath out, like a gale of wind. Every breath we take Every food we eat comes from the natural world. Lucky us. Oh, nature is amazing and all connected, remember. What do our chefs wear?
Ooh la la.
Chef's hats, of course. Chef hats on. Wonderful chef's gloves. Oh, looking gorgeous, darling. Make sure our hands are nice and clean. Don't forget to wash your hands in the sink before we do any sort of cooking. Now, this for our recipe is what we need. Broad beans! About 3 pods will do perfectly. What do you think's inside these broad bean fruit? Fish and chips? No. Spaghetti bolognese? No. But these would be tasty in that. Let's open them up. Blink your eyes 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Glorious! Beans! Lots of them. We can take these seeds, save them, keep them safe till next year, ready to plant again. Or we can eat them. What do you want to do?
Yummy! No, Olga, that's for saving, remember? Yes, I know. I was just going to look at it really closely.
Why don't we do both? Take some of these seeds and save them, dry them, get them ready for next year, and we can eat the rest. Take out your broad beans. Count them with me. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you counting with me? 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa. Oh, and don't forget to give these a smell. Oh, they smell so good. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Down. Filled with lots of good stuff for our tummies, for our whole bodies actually, like fibre. Really good for swallow, your digestion, and really good for protein. That's what really helps us use our bodies. What's next? Do you know what this is? This, is so yummy. It smells really good. This is garlic. We're going to take 1 clove, so that's this part of the garlic, peel it, take the bits off the edge, and then we're going to take a fork and we're going to do some squishing. Squish, 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 squish. Get some of those smells out. Smells so good. Squish, 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 squish.
Gross to me, but people think garlic is great. They put it on everything. It's in all of these things. Wow. I've seen it. What's that called again? Pizza. Spaghetti bolognese. And it's even in some ice cream. I know. But this. I like this.
Grapes! Do you like grapes? Oh, they're so yummy and really good for us too. Grapes are great for energy. What colour are these grapes?
Green.
Green, exactly. Show me your hands. Wave. Hello. We are going to need to take our hands and take a handful of grapes. Okay? Now pop it in the bowl. Lemon time. Show me your hand again. Wave. Hello again. Squish it with your hands like this. Squish, 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 squish. We're going to use our fork and we're going to make a little hole at the bottom of our lemon, and we're going to squeeze that lemon. Go and show me with your hands. Squeeze that lemon, even if you don't have one. Squeeze with your hands out and squeeze that lemon into our yummy food. Don't forget to give it a smell. Are you smelling? Go and smell. Can you smell any lemon? If not, what's the smelliest thing you can smell around you? Go on, if you can find it. If it's safe. Oh, this smells so good. And now squeeze it into your pot. Ready? Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze that lemon.
This makes me so happy.
Squeeze. Show me with your hands. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze that lemon. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze that lemon. when we grow food and eat our own food, we get to eat all the really good for us stuff inside them. Garlic, lemon, both are really good for our immune system. That means it can help keep us really nice and healthy. Very exciting. Now for the ginger. If it's shaped like this, make it into a little smile. And now we want to grate the ginger. So we're going to use this grater and we're going to grate up and down some of this ginger. Warning, warning, keep your fingers out the way. Warning, warning, or else they might not stay. Are you ready to grate? Don't worry if you don't have a grater with you, or even a ginger. You can do that later. Instead, wiggle your bottom every time we grate. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle like this. Grate, grate, grate. We're grating, grating, grating. We're grating, grating, grating. We're grating really great, 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 great. We're grating the ginger. We're grating the ginger. We're grating really great, 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 great. Are you wiggling? Great, great, great. We're grating, grating, grating. Grating really great. Well done. Can you see it? It smells so good. Don't forget to smell the ginger. We only want a little bit of that in there.
I can't smell anything. That's because you don't have a nose, Arac. But imagine what it tastes like. I bet it tastes like poo. That's not a very kind thing to say, Olga. Well, to me, poo tastes so good. Yeah. So really, it's a really nice thing to say.
Into the bowl it goes. Ta-da! Our recipe is ready. And now we just need to mix it all together. For this, we're going to use a blender. Have you used one of those before? This one is a handheld one, and it's got very sharp blades around it. We're going to pop it in here, and then we're going to spin those blades round. What do you think is going to happen when those blades, those sharp parts of the blender, touch the food? Get big with me. Do you think it's going to get bigger? No. I think it's going to make it much smaller. Make yourself teeny tiny. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Lid goes on, and we're going to pull the blades around like this. Oh. You see what's happening inside there? While these blades are spinning around, I want you to do some spinning around from wherever you are. Show me.
Woohoo!
Exactly like that. Keep going.
Whee! So fun.
Spin, spin, spin.
Growing, growing, growing,
Stop.
growing, 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 growing.
Let's look inside. Ready? Smell that. Go on. Are you smelling?
It smells so good.
Oh, it smells so good. And I bet it tastes amazing too. Should we try it together? Come on. No. Wait. You don't want to be in our chef's outfit for this. Let's go to the garden tea table. Oh, and don't forget to bring the celery. Welcome to our rather glamorous garden tea table. Looking good. And oh, look at this feast we have to eat here. Made of plants that we grew. Oh, And I popped some celery here too as a nature spoon. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. Let's dip it in our delicious, what's in here again? Broad beans, lemon, garlic, ginger, a little bit of basil. All of this is really, really yummy, delicious and nutritious. First, let's smell it. Go on, are you smelling it? Smells delicious. Let's eat. Mmm. Mmm. That's so yummy. What did you think? Don't worry, if you can't eat it right now in front of you, why don't we do some mouth exercises and show me what it's like to chew, chew, chew food that we've grown. Go on. Is it tasty?
Yes!
Should we have some more? Mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. When food tastes so good, I like to do the happy dance. In order to grow, we have to eat food, you know, and this kind of food, oh, really good. All that good stuff now is inside our tummies, exactly, helping to keep us healthy and strong and helping us to grow. Fantastic. I don't know about you, but I could eat this food that we've made from food we've grown all day, but I don't want to be too greedy, and I did say that we would share some of this.
Have fun! Be kind and look after our world. That is our Natureland motto. Exactly. So sharing is caring. So yes, I think we should share. Me too. Well, maybe not those beans you slimed all over, Olga. I'm not sure anyone wants to eat those.
Is there anyone that you could think of to share this food with? Sharing is caring. Maybe we could make some more. Go and harvest more of our broad bean plants and... Oh, no. We've run out of time, but I had so much fun harvesting the plants we grew, eating them all up, and making our recipe, and I hope you did too. Is this something you do a lot at home? Growing plants or eating plants? Ask your grown-ups if they can take some pictures and send them my way. I would love to see. Uh-oh, tea time is almost over and I'm going to have to start packing up, cleaning up, putting chairs on top of the table, turning the lights off. Boop, boop. Until next time, remember what us Naturelanders say? Have fun, be kind, and look after our beautiful world. I'll see you next time. Bye.
So when are we making the flies? Oh, Arac, you can't make flies. Well, growing them? You can't grow flies either, Arac. Oh, catching them? Now that you can do. We helped Alice grow the plants. Look how many are here. And you know who likes eating plants? Lots and lots of yummy creatures. So food for... me! Of course, it's all connected. It's all connected. Now, I'm sure I saw Alice drop some of that yummy stuff somewhere around here, and I'm hungry. See you next time, friends. Goodbye. Oh, there it is.